Hi there, my name is Ajeet. Now I am working in Deloitte, Gurugram. I have got job through Evision Technoserve. Evision teams has helped me a lot to getting this job in IT field. Now I am working as a desktop support engineer. Uh, Evision team has skilled me in IT, and also they helped me in a interview, and to cracking in interview is very difficult for me, but they help me with questions answers, and timely response is good features of Evision teams, and I am very happy to get this job. uh, Thank you.